Okay, once you're on Scratch, I want you to click the Create button over here, and this will open up a new editor. All right, once you're here,
Oh, hold
I
up.
want you
I'm still
all.
getting on Scratch.
Oh yeah,
Relax.
yeah, that's fine. I'll wait for you.
All right, thanks.
But yeah, once you get in here, you just delete the cat sprite real quick because we won't need the cat for this one.
Darn it. Okay, I am loaded on Scratch.
Did you open the editor?
Yeah, I'm on it.
All right, delete the cat sprite. And now we're gonna create our own sprite by hovering over this thing down here and then clicking the paintbrush that says paint. Click that one, and it should open you up to this editor where you can draw your own sprites.
I'm there. Everyone's there, I think.
All right. Now, what I want you all to do is press this button down here, which should be a zoom in button. So click the zoom in until you get a bit closer.
Okay.
And I want you all to draw an arrow. So we can first use the line tool over here and then click and then drag. And you can create a line right there. And it doesn't have to be the exact same as mine, of course. Um, but yeah, just create some sort of thing that resembles an arrow. I'm gonna create a square right over here. I'm gonna make the fill black by clicking the fill thing up here.
Can I make an actual arrow? Just like purple arrow?
Sure.
All
You
right,
can
nice.
also just use the paintbrush. Oh yeah. And then you can click this reshape button, which should have like a mouse that has a dot on it. And then if you see this point, you can double click it to remove it, and now it becomes a triangle. Now with the triangle, you can use this button down here to rotate it slightly. And once again, it doesn't have to look the exact same. We'll put an arrow like that. I'm gonna make it sharper pointer. And then I'll add like little feather things on the back here, like that. Something like this. You can be a different color as well.
I have a purple arrow.
Hold on.
Big fat purple arrow.
Just gonna make this yeah, I guess you can, yeah. All right. So now we're gonna move this, and then we're gonna move it until you can see the tip of the arrow um pointing at this thing over here in the middle, that target looking thing. And we can name the sprite arrow as well. Oh, never mind. I got it wrong. We're gonna have to move the arrow so that its feathers are actually touching right here at the central point. Not the tip.
Wait, how'd you make that triangle thing again?
A triangle thing. So you can create a square, and then you can click this reshape button over here,
Yeah.
and then you can double click that, and then it'll become a triangle.
And then how'd you wait.
How do I can rotate it like this, and then shrink it down
Oh,
to make it look like the tip.
It
Does that make sense to
yeah.
everyone?
How do you rotate it?
Using this button down here that has two arrows, and then you can drag it around. And you can rotate it to any direction.
I don't have the button.
Oh, well, you have to click on the shape first. Sorry. So you're gonna click on the shape first, and then once you see the blue like selecting thing, you can click the button down there.
I'm
see
clicking
it?
on it, but it doesn't do that.
Doesn't do that.
Yeah.
Are you clicking on the shape,
Yeah.
and it doesn't have the double blue arrow on the bottom?
No, it just has a blue outline.
Oh. Oh, well, you need to be selecting this one. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. You'll need to select this mouse pointer button that doesn't have a dot there.
Oh.
Once you select that, then you can click it and then you can rotate it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
All right. And then let's see. Now let's go to code. Once everyone's done with that.
I'm not done with
Wait,
it
I still
yet.
don't get how to rotate it.
Rotate it. To
Uh-huh.
rotate any object, you're gonna first have the object, right? Then you're gonna select the arrow, the mouse pointer arrow, the mouse pointer thing over here. Once you
Yeah.
select that, then you're gonna click on the shape, and you're gonna see this thing down here, this double arrow looking thing. And then you can click it and you can drag it around to rotate it.
Okay. Got it.
All right, who else is not done yet?
I just need to add the little feather things.
Oh yeah. Those are just for decorations. Yeah, you can just use the line and then just drag out and drag out like that.
Yeah.
Okay, is everyone ready to move on now?
Mhm.
Great. So now we're going to go to code. And then we're going to go to events. And then we're going to drag out the when flag clicked button. Remember, this is the block that activates everything. So any code that is below it will activate when I click the flag now. Okay, then we're going to go to motion, and then we're going to drag out this go to block. Is go to X and then Y. For the X one, you're gonna put negative 220. Or maybe negative 240, sorry, 230. 230. And then Y, you're gonna select 0. Let me zoom in a bit. Hold on. Yeah, there you go.
赶紧来吧，不可以，人家在上课。
Okay. And now you're gonna go to Control and then drag out a forever loop. So that means when we click the flag, it's gonna first go to negative 230, 0, which is this position over here, and then it's gonna repeat whatever's in this forever loop. So in this forever loop, we're gonna go to motion, and then we're gonna drag out the point towards mouse pointer. So when we click the flag, the arrow will be pointing towards our mouse. At least it should. Should be. We're going to make sure to reset the arrow every single time we start. So we're going to drag out a point in direction block and put it before the forever loop. So that way it resets the arrow back to 90 degrees every time we click the flag. But it won't look like it because it instantly points towards our mouse pointer again. So yeah, now you have this arrow that should be pointing at your mouse pointer wherever your mouse is. Okay, now we're going to create a new sprite. And then we're going to do the same thing, paint. Click the zoom in button a few times. And this one should be pretty simple. Just click the circle button and then create like a target out of it that looks like this, an oval shape. And then I guess I can fill it and make it red. And then maybe y'all don't need to do this, but if you want to, you can add like a white in the center here. Oh, actually, let's move the red thing in the center first. So drag it to the center where you see that target looking thing. And you can add on the white one. I'm gonna add another red one to resemble the bullseye part of it. So now you should have this target once you're done. And I'm actually gonna select all this and make it a bit wider, just a bit. Because mine was a bit small. I'm gonna name this sprite target. So now we should have two sprites, an arrow and a target. The arrow should be always pointing at our mouse pointer. If we click the green flag, that is. All right, is everyone ready to move on? All right, great. So now we'll reset the target to somewhere. So I want the target to be moving up and down the screen, okay? So we're gonna start it at down at the bottom over here. So let's drag it over there. You just use your mouse to drag it somewhere down here and let go. And then we're gonna go to events, drag out one flag clicked. Then we're gonna go to motion, and then we're gonna drag out go to position block, a go to XY block. And then if you can look over here, you can see your target's position right now. Right now it's X is 230. So I'm gonna put the X and make it 230. For Y, I'm gonna make it negative 145. And then below that, I'm going to go to control, and then I'm going to drag out a forever loop. Within this loop, I'm going to drag out a repeat loop. And then I'm going to go to motion and then drag out a move steps block. Think I should, let me just test out some values real quick. You all don't need to, oh, whoops. Sorry, not move steps. Change Y by block. Seems a bit fast, so I'm gonna make it, let's see. Okay, so I think all right. So what you should put in here is you should make it repeat 290, and then you should make the change Y by block and set the value to 1. Once you do that, go to control and then drag out a wait 1 second block and change the 1 second to 0.5 seconds. Then below that, you're going to add another repeat and you're going to make the 10 290. And you're going to go to motion one more time and drag out a change Y by -1 so that it moves down. So now the target should change between moving up and down. Target's moving up right now. And now it's moving down. Finally, go to control and drag out another wait 1 second block and make it 0.5 seconds. So that pauses
You
at the
slow
bottom.
down.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the group of code, I guess the code for the target that we'll have for now. That makes it move. So I'll just leave it here for a bit so you all can catch up.
All right, I'm done.
Is everyone else done?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Not yet?
No.
Okay. I'll wait a bit longer.
What?
Hmm?
Hold
Did
on.
something happen?
No, maybe. Oh, I'm just dumb. I forgot to put
Oh.
-1 instead of 1.
Oh yeah. Negative makes the thing go down. Remember? Positive makes it go up. Negative makes it go down for the y-axis. All right. Is everyone ready to move on now?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now I think we should add a backdrop. So go to stage or the backdrop, this big thing over here, click it, and then go to backdrops, the backdrop tab next to the code tab on the top. And then go down here where you'll see choose a backdrop and then select the magnifying glass, which should say choose a backdrop. And I think you all should just choose whatever you think will suit well. But personally, I think, let's see. I think I want stripes. And then that's it for the backdrop. Just wanted to change it up. Make it a bit more interesting rather than just a white screen. Okay, so once you're done with that, click the arrow again and then go to code. You should already have the point towards mouse pointer code. But now we're gonna change this code up a bit, okay? So instead of forever, we're gonna drag out a repeat until and replace the forever with the repeat until. And then put the point towards mouse pointer inside the repeat until block. So this means that the arrow is going to point to the mouse pointer until something happens. And we gotta fill in the until area. So we want the arrow to point towards the mouse pointer until my mouse is, I click my mouse, which is the mouse down block in sensing. This block over here, drag it in to the repeat until. So when I click the flag, the arrow should be pointing towards my mouse pointer until I click the screen, then it stops.
I always wondered how I could do that.
Yeah, that's a useful thing. So you can just make something repeat forever until you do a certain thing.
That's nice. Is that how they make punching in games?
Probably.
Hmm.
I mean, there are other methods, but yeah, this is one method that would work.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. I haven't finished yet.
That's all right.
Wait, why is my arrow on the top and not where yours is?
So for the beginning, you'll need to make sure this block over here is a go to
Wait,
x
mine says
negative
Y is
200.
to 28. Hold on.
Oh yeah. You need to set your y to 0, and then it should work.
I clicked the flag button and my arrow disappeared.
Wait, sorry, what?
I clicked the green flag thing, and my arrow disappeared.
What did you set the block to?
Negative 230 to 0.
And it's the go to x y block, right?
Yeah.
How about this block down here? Does it say point towards mouse pointer? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Just
Well,
try clicking the flag
actually,
again.
it's moving.
Still nothing?
Well, sometimes I see it because it's like spinning in circles.
Oh, I mean it should be spinning, right? Depending. Do you see the full arrow?
Um, Sometimes.
Okay. So you'll need to go to costumes.
I have a
Everyone needs to
slate.
do this. Just make sure your arrow. So I'm gonna move my arrow away for a second. But make sure that this center area, which should be marked by this target looking thing, the shape down there that looks like this, that thing over there. And you're gonna make sure you put your arrow's end right on that thing. So make sure your arrow's not in the middle or anything. All right, once you do that, it should be better now.
Wait, what did you just show me to do? Because I had to rebuild my arrow thing.
Oh, just make sure your arrow is your
In the-
arrow's end, the feather part of your arrow, is touching that central target thing over here. Do you see that?
Wait, my central thing is in the middle, not towards the side.
Oh
How do
yeah,
you
that's
make
why I
it?
need you to move it to the side. So what
How
you're
do
gonna
you
do
make
is
it?
you're gonna select the entire arrow, and then you're gonna move it next to it.
No, like that little circle thing on the screen, and you said that was like the center point or something.
Yeah.
Yours is towards the left side, and mine's just straight in the middle.
Oh yeah. So can you select the entire thing right now? So you're gonna
Mhm.
click and hold your mouse, and you can see this rectangular box, and then let go. And now you have selected the entire arrow.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna click down and just drag, like hold your mouse down, and you can drag it around. So
Wait,
so if it's at the center, is it like this? This is the center.
yeah.
You're gonna move it towards the right until the feather touches it, instead of the center of the arrow touching it. Does that make sense?
Wait, hold on.
What are we
Wait,
supposed to do?
wait, yeah. So wait. Can I wait? It's like the gray little circle thing in the checkers, not the arrow. It's a gray
The-
thing, like that teeny thing that you're pointing at right now.
yeah, that's the
Yeah,
center.
yeah, the center point thing is on your checker thing. It's more to the left side, but mine's like more towards the right side. Does that matter? Because then my arrow's going to be more right than yours.
Um,
Yeah.
well, what I want you that's what I let's see.
Mm.
So you can actually just move your arrow. So right now mine is towards the right. My arrow is towards the central point is towards the right, but I can drag it and move it over so that the target here is to the left of the arrow.
Oh, okay. Got it. 我这个是为什么 screen？
Okay, does it work now?
Um,
Once you click the flag?
I can't even. Oh, what the heck? Okay. 你把它等一下，
鼠标更方便。
我不习惯用鼠标。呃 Wait, is this supposed to be controlled by your mouse?
Sorry, what?
Is it supposed to be controlled by your mouse? Like if you move your mouse to the left, it goes to the left.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be doing.
So sometimes it could be like not the right way. Because when I click the flag, it starts. Oh, wait. Wait, when you click the flag, where is it supposed to start?
Well, take a look at my screen. It's supposed to be right here on the left side, and it's supposed to point towards my mouse pointer. So my mouse pointer is moving around, and the arrow is also moving around.
Okay. Wait.
Okay. Okay. So for everyone, we're going to be creating a new variable. So go down to variables and then click make a variable.
What are we supposed to do? I was late.
Supposed to be making an arrow and target game.
Where
But you
do we
can
go
watch the.
again? I didn't hear you.
Wait, sorry, what?
Where do we go again? I didn't hear you.
Oh, go to variables, this orange tab in the coding tab area. And then you're going to click this button, make a variable. And you're
Uh,
just gonna name it Y speed. And make sure it's for all sprites. And click OK. And then
Hold
the
up.
same thing
Hold up.
for X speed. For all sprites and OK. So 2 variables. Just creating them.
should I just
yeah.
watch? Or
Yeah,
stuff?
you should just copy down the code over here. And make sure you draw your arrow and draw your target.
What do we do? Hold up. X speed and Y speed. Okay.
How do we make an arrow?
You just draw it in the editor.
Okay.
I made them.
Great. Okay, so we're gonna be resetting the variables at the very beginning. So drag it out and put it onto the side. 2 of the set X speed to 0 blocks. And then you're gonna change the X speed on one of them and make it Y speed. And you're gonna put it before the repeat until. So we're gonna make sure those 2 variables are both 0 when the game starts.
Hold up. Let me do that. X speed. How many X speeds? 1 X speed, 1 Y speed.
How do you make set X speed?
You need to create a new variable and call it
How?
X speed and Y speed. 2 of them.
How? Wait, should I do
I did it.
for all sprites? Yes or no?
Yeah, for all sprites.
Okay, what
Both
should
of them.
it be named? X speed?
X speed and Y speed, as you can see.
Oh shoot, I named it XVs. I named it
It's fine.
XVs. Oh no. What should
It's fine. The name
should
doesn't
I
really matter.
delete it or is it fine?
It's fine.
I don't like it XVs.
Okay, then you can delete it
How?
and make it again.
I'm on my iPad. Oh, okay, I get it now.
What are we doing here?
Sorry, what? We're gonna make the arrow, so we're gonna make it once we click the mouse, we're gonna make it shoot out, and then the goal is trying to hit the target, right? Okay. Well, actually, I should make just a simpler version. Sorry, guys. So actually,
It doesn't
just remove.
move. I
Huh?
tried it, but it doesn't move. I did the code.
Well, it's not supposed to move right now.
Oh. What up?
Yeah, we
How
haven't
are we
gotten to-
supposed to make the target?
Just draw it by yourself.
Hold up. Can you pause for a second? I gotta do something.
Wait, no, the arrow won't move. Like not like it can't like it doesn't move like yours. Like but I
You
did
gotta-
the code.
You gotta click the green flag and make sure not to click the screen. Don't click the screen.
But then how am I supposed to move it?
Use your mouse pointer to move
Yeah,
it,
but
move it
I'm
around.
on an iPad.
Oh, that's fine. It doesn't matter. Then you just don't you can't move it around, but you can just click the screen and it should point in the direction you want it to point.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't point. I tried clicking it.
Well, I mean, what I mean is,
Okay, I get it. It's supposed to. You're supposed to click it on the thing.
oh yeah, that's right.
Why can't you click it on the board?
Because that's not part of the like actual actual interactive screen.
Oh.
Okay,
Should
so
I
after
change
that,
the cat into a arrow?
that's what you should be doing.
Can
Yeah.
you show me how to make the arrow? Like, I mean, show it on your thing.
You
Yo.
can just make your own arrow. It doesn't have to be the exact same. You can literally just draw
Show
a
me
line.
it. Okay, I see it.
Yeah,
Good.
it's right here.
right?
You can just draw in line. Okay, so next, everyone, we're gonna add in a repeat until.
What?
So we're gonna go to control.
Okay.
And then below this, we're gonna add another repeat until block. This time in the parameter over here, we're gonna go to operators, and we're gonna drag an OR block. Put it in there.
Can you slow down real quick? Let me see that.
Yeah.
Repeat until okay. Grab this. This operator. Hold up.
Okay.
So. Okay, I put it in.
Okay. Repeat until, and you're gonna go to sensing.
Okay.
And then you're gonna drag out a touching. You're gonna do touching target instead of mouse pointer.
I thought it did.
You salt.
And the next one over here, you're gonna drag another touching, and then you're gonna make it edge. So it should say repeat until
Yeah.
touching target or touching
按
edge.
两个 screen 呢，
Because we're supposed
放在
to.
桌子上，两个 screen 都要放桌子上。
Yeah, like. Can you just go?
Okay, I did that. My Zoom just crashed.
Okay.
Never mind.
All right. Now inside this loop, we're gonna go to motion, and then we're gonna add in a move 10 steps. So now when you click the flag and stuff, everything should be working pretty well. You can
Sure, I
see
wanna
that the
try
arrow
it.
does actually shoot.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh, that's fun.
Yep.
There's no point system, and it doesn't.
No, no
retract.
point system yet. We don't have a point
It
system
doesn't
yet.
retract. We gotta make it retract.
So actually, for the target, let's see, wait. Okay. So now that we got all of this,
Wait, can you stay there real quick? I want to
Oh, yeah,
just
of course.
double check real quick.
How are we gonna make it retract?
yeah, we will. We will.
Okay.
Risa,
So actually, y'all, I want you to detach this part, and then I want you to delete the set X speed to 0 and set Y speed to 0. We don't actually need that. And then snap it
Don't?
back in.
We don't.
So that way the code is smaller and it should work the same.
I almost just deleted half my code.
Be careful when doing that, yeah.
Risa, my target isn't moving.
Okay, so Rayanne, you gotta click the green flag.
I know,
Remember?
but it's like moving upwards, but then it just stops moving.
It's interesting.
I'm built different. I got bullseye first try. Let's go.
Nice, nice, nice.
Pew. Bullseye again. Second
All
try.
right, so y'all gotta make sure your target code looks like this.
Easy. Huh?
For your target, it's when flag clicked, go to 230, negative 145, and then in the forever loop, you're gonna make sure you do a repeat 290 times, change Y by 1, wait 0.5 seconds, repeat 290, change Y by -1, and then wait 0.5 seconds.
好了，又是的。
Yeah, I have that. So what's my Sony DS?
Okay, so go back to the arrow code, and then after the repeat until, we want to check if it's touching the target. Okay? So we're gonna drag an if.
How do
And
you
then-
make the target?
You can just draw a circle.
But
doesn't
what's
have to
the
be the
code
exact
for
same,
the
alright?
target? I don't know.
So we're gonna drag out a if touching target, then right here, we want to go to variables. We're gonna delete X speed and Y speed because we actually don't need those. instead we're gonna make a variable and call it score for all
slow down?
sprites.
Can you slow down,
Okay.
please?
How do you make the target? I mean, like, what's the code?
Can you go to the other code?
How do you make the code for the target?
All right, y'all. I'm gonna move back to the target code after you are done with the arrow code. Okay. So I'm just gonna wait a bit longer, and then y'all can take a look at the target code.
Also for the target thing, so it doesn't, my arrow can't go through the target like yours can. Like your arrow can touch the wall and the target just goes over the arrow.
Yeah.
Mine can't go, my target doesn't let the arrow go over.
What does your target do instead?
Well, no, like my arrow can't touch the wall because the target's blocking the way.
Oh, is the target like very big for you?
Pretty big.
Pretty big?
Should
Then
I
you should go to
make-
the target and then change this thing called size and then change it to like 50% or something. Just you. If it's too big, that is.
I'm raising my hand.
Yeah.
Let me ask a question.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Is everybody here done yet?
Is everybody done with the code here for the
No.
arrow?
No.
All right,
Yeah,
Eddie.
my
What question do you have?
Can you show?
Arrow's not shooting.
I think I am.
I made it a lot smaller and it still doesn't
I can't
work.
move my arrow. Ugh. Wait, no, it's hard to move, but it's always backwards. Like, it's always facing, I mean, it's moving, but it's facing front and backward. I don't want it to face. Wait, why is, like,
Make
it's
sure-
always backward or something.
Okay, yeah. Make sure your arrow is pointing towards the right direction inside the costume area. Not the left, the right direction.
But how? How do we make it? Oh. Bruh. Oh.
You can rotate it.
Yeah, but I can't. I'm trying to. I only can, like, I don't know, do something.
My arrow's not shooting.
How do you,
Alright,
like,
Eddie.
rotate it, though?
Okay, hold on, yeah. Eddie, what question do you have?
Why's my arrow not shooting?
Why is your arrow what now?
It's not shooting.
It's not shooting. Okay, so over here you should have a repeat until mouse down, point
Yeah.
towards the mouse pointer.
Yeah.
And then after it, you're gonna add a repeat until touching target or touching edge.
Yeah.
And over here should be move 10 steps.
Yeah.
So what happens is when you click the green flag, the arrow should follow your mouse pointer, and when you click the screen, it should release the arrow.
Yeah, I just stopping the programming.
Sorry, what?
When I click, it just stops the program. Well, at least the arrow.
Huh. Oh, you know what? I think I got it. How about instead of the touching edge block, we're gonna remove that, and we're gonna replace it with an operator greater than.
Where do
And
we
then go to-
find the touching target one? Because mine only says touching mouse pointer.
You can change it. So if it says mouse pointer over here, you can click this little circle inside and then change it to target.
Mine doesn't have target.
Well, it's depending on what your sprite is named. My sprite is called target. Yours could be called like sprite 2 or something.
Also, mine is still facing, like, always facing front and backwards. Ugh, how do I fix it? It's so
You j-
ugly.
Just go to costumes and just change the direction of the arrow.
How?
Make sure
I
it's
don't-
pointing to the right direction. So the right direction, not the left, the right. Okay, so back to the code.
Yo, chill.
Instead of touching the
Go
edge,
back to
we're
the
gonna make
arrow.
this greater than, and then we're gonna add an X position. X position greater than 230. All right. just like that.
Hold up.
Hey,
X position.
How do you change it? It's like, how do you change the angle? Oh, okay, I got it. Oops.
Great.
My target got slower, but it's not going back down. Still.
Okay, so is everybody done with this code?
no.
Okay, so Rayan, you'll have to wait a bit.
Thing.
I'll
Wait,
change it to the target code later.
Okay.
X position. Found it.
Reason my arrow still doesn't work, and I did make the target smaller.
Now will it go back after I
I mean,
click
your
it?
arrow can still shoot, right,
Yeah,
Jasmine?
yeah, just won't go through the target.
I'm
This won't go
sorry.
through the...
Why won't my arrow? Oh, never mind. It works.
Yeah,
heck?
sorry. Let me address
still don't-
Jasmine's problem, please, first.
So that
Um,
when I just shot it, it just like stopped it right in the middle.
Sorry, what?
When I shot it to aim for the target, it just stopped right in the middle.
Oh, okay. So you all gotta make sure your X position over here, it says X position greater than 230, not like something like 50 or something. Make it 230.
Yeah, I did, but it stopped right in the middle.
How about try again? Try it again and check it out.
how do you move the thing? So
It stopped again.
Also, I can't rotate it.
Okay, please let me address it one by one. Let's do Hannah first. So, does it say X position over here?
Yeah, it does.
It just stops like it's dead center in the middle of the screen.
Yeah, sort of in the middle.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I just shot my arrow like at the bottom of the screen in the corner, and it hit the target, and then it just started going up with the target. It started ascending.
Okay, well,
Is that supposed to be happening?
no.
Okay.
All right.
And
To fix like all the problems for basically everyone, because I'm hearing like all these problems, and I think it has to do with one thing. So go to your arrow
Are you yellow?
for everyone, and then you're gonna go to costumes.
I think I
This
fixed.
is for everyone, okay? I think this will solve the majority of the problems. You can see that my arrow, when I zoom out, my arrow is
Oh,
towards the right side. So towards the right
you can do it.
side of
Oof, easy.
that central
Landed above.
that central dot right there, that central target that looks something like that. Okay, to the right side. So how are you gonna do that? You're gonna select this tool over here. Okay, once you select that, you're gonna click where my mouse is, and you're gonna drag until it fully encompasses the entire arrow. Once you do that, you're gonna click the group button on the top over here. Click it so that your arrow is all together. Now you can zoom in. And then make sure that the arrow is to the direct right side of this point.
When does class end?
It's gonna end in like 7 minutes, all right?
7. Okay. Because yesterday it was like, last week it was like 8.
Excuse
18, and
me.
you said we were like 5 minutes late.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I don't know the code for the target.
I'll get to that soon after we fix this,
Also, when
this
I
arrow.
try to launch it, like when I launch it or something, it just goes like it just goes backwards instead of forwards, and then it flies up.
Well, it goes backwards?
No,
Wait, but isn't that what you just said?
wait, no, it's not backwards anymore. Like
do you mean?
Wait, let me try. Yeah.
Okay,
I think I did something wrong.
Yeah, good.
it's alright. For everyone, just make sure that your arrow is to the right side
Oh, it's supposed to be
of
200.
this central dot. So make sure it's to the right
Wait, no.
side.
Okay, try
Right
that.
side is over here. The central dot is over here.
Where did
Where's
it
your
go?
arrow?
Now my arrow disappeared.
No, I see one. On your
You can
arrow's
click the green flag
backwards.
again to reset it, okay?
It's supposed
Alright.
to be this
No,
way.
it's
Eddie, I
supposed to
see
be
your
like this.
hand is
What?
raised.
1
Do
second.
you also have a
What?
question?
It's- When you have it, you're supposed to.
But
Eddie, do
Eddie's
you have a question
here.
right now?
Ew, why is it not moving?
Okay.
it's gone still.
So is
Yeah,
everyone
because
done
behind
fixing
it,
their
you have
arrows
to-
positions?
Put it in,
Yes.
put in front of the
Yeah.
arrow, or the centerpiece.
My arrow still doesn't go through the thingy.
This time when the arrow paused, it just like stopped and then there was some white stuff coming out of it.
Okay, let me address Jasmine's problem first. Okay? So
Okay.
Jasmine, what was your problem again?
Doesn't the thing? Well, I don't know what to, like. The arrow doesn't go through the target.
The arrow doesn't go through the target?
Yeah.
Target
Oh,
like
so okay. Let's see. It's not supposed to go through the target. So yours may actually be working.
what?
So let me hit the target real quick, okay?
There's something.
So look at that. It's not going through the target. It just touches
Oh.
the target.
Target.
2 seconds ago, I saw it touching the target.
So is it working now, Jasmine?
Yeah, it shoots. It doesn't go through the target. So I thought something was wrong or something.
Oh yeah. We'll be fixing that
Wait a
soon,
minute.
okay? For everyone.
What if you try it?
Yeah, Hannah, what problem did you have again?
So when it stopped, now it just like when it stopped right in the middle, I saw
Yes.
white stuff coming out. That was like a little circle.
A little circle.
Yeah, that it was pausing.
So probably something
Hmm.
working together with the target. and
I think my code is broken. Or maybe it
All right, one at a
doesn't
time,
work.
please.
It's too
Um,
bad.
So Hannah, does your arrow still stop in the middle though? Or does it
Well,
continue on?
not
Silence.
well, not that much, cause yeah. You try.
Then just deal with it. I don't really care about your code.
I don't.
Oh, I hate you. No help.
Okay. Okay, so could you just double check this code real quick and make sure it's all the same? And then I'll come back to you, all right? All right, Noah, what question do you have?
Wait, arrow.
Make sure.
Noah?
Is right too. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's your target name. That's fine.
All right, if you have a question, you can just tell me real quick.
So my target is still up there, and it's not going back down.
So I'm gonna move on to the target code, okay? Everyone, I'm gonna click this. Make sure if your target isn't working, make sure your code looks
do
like
you have-
this.
Do you have to change the background?
You don't have to. That's just optional. I just want to so it could look a bit better. But yeah, you can do that later, or you can just not do it at all.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe your microphone.
Can we work on making the thingamabob retract the arrow?
We can move on once everyone has their problems fixed, okay?
Okay. Bye bye then.
All right. So, does anyone else have a problem still?
Yes, I still can't change the the thingy to like target.
You still can't change the what is your target? The sprite that represents your target called? What is the name of it? The name should be shown down here. Right down here. So my target is over here, right? You can see the target sprite down here. The name is right over here. What is it called? What is this called? Could you tell me, please?
I can't put it like the sprite there though.
What do you mean?
Like I can't put like two of the sprites like together.
Huh? Wait, but you should have like your sprites down here. Like I have my two sprites. I have my arrow and my target. And they're on the screen.
You only can put one.
I only can put one.
I mean, do you only have one?
No, I have 5.
But do you have a target on screen? Did you draw it and like do you have it on there?
Yeah.
So can you tell me what it's called, please?
Target.
Target? Okay. Then you can just go back to the arrow and you can select the touching. It should be mouse pointer right now, right? And then you can just change it to target.
No, it's only have mouse pointer and edge.
You could.
All right. Is the problem fixed?
No.
No? Why not? How not? What happened?
It's just still mouse pointer and edge.
There is no target?
No.
Okay, so do you have two sprites down here? Do you have two boxes down here?
No, I can't put both boxes down.
I mean, like, do you have it down there or not?
No.
You only have one?
Yeah.
All right, so then you'll need to create a new sprite. So to go down here, and you're gonna paint a new one, and then the one that's already existing is that the arrow or the target?
Target.
Okay, then you'll need to draw an arrow.
Okay.
So we actually have two different sprites here. Okay, one is for the arrow and one is for the target, and they have different code.
Okay.
All right, for everyone else who is done, class is over for today, and you can leave now. And next class we'll try to finish this up. All right. So for everyone else who's leaving, have a great.
Okay, yeah, I have it now.
So what? Why are you crying, brother?
Do you still have problems with your arrow?
You are allergic.
Okay, bye.
Ah!
Hey!
Ah!
Okay.
Hee hee hee.
Oh my god. So
Hee hee hee. Hey. Hey. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Ping.
Okay, y'all. Class is over for today. So we'll try to fix this up and finish it up next class, all right? Did everyone hear that?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Have a great week. All right? See y'all.